Hey guys, it's Phoebe again. Gonna do video on my yellow rice, my version of yellow rice and Spanish style corned beef today. So I hope y'all like this. Enjoy. Guys, today I'm going to start with parboiled rice, a cup. So we're going to cook this a little bit different. Today I'm going to try something different. We're going to try this new Better Than Bouillon. It's chicken flavored base. I use a little bit of salt and I use sunflower oil and extra virgin olive oil. And I also put this in it. It has a little flavoring to it, and it's what turns the rice yellow. Okay. Another variation that I usually use, but like I said, today I want to try with this, is this, to give it the flavor of chicken broth. But we're not using this today. Just giving you an option. Okay, guys. I wanted to show you a little bit of a difference. Now this one I use for my rice. And you can tell by this, it says on. And this part of the box is going to be yellow and it's going to show like a pot of rice. This one is white on top and it shows your different meats and some vegetables. And it's without the annatto, which is the yellow coloring. You can use this for meats, but I will forewarn you now, it will turn your meat a different color because it's got the coloring in it. So we're using this today. I just wanted to show you the difference side by side. Yellow, pot of rice, white, no rice. Okay? Took me a while to get the hang of that one. Okay, guys, like I said, this is parboiled rice. I've got a little over a cup, and this makes quite a bit for 2 people. So, this is how I do it. Everyone does it differently. Just enough water to cover the rice, okay? Then it's probably about 2 teaspoons I mean. Throw that in there. Just a little bit of the olive oil and sunflower oil. And then we're gonna put all the goodies in there. And like I said, this is my first time using this, so it's gonna be trial and error with this. But as long as it gives it a little bit of flavor, something different, I'll be all right with it. So I'm gonna let this sit for about an hour, and then I will turn it on and cook up the rice. Once Phoebe can get all the flavoring off the spoon. Just do it the old-fashioned way. Alright. Okay guys, now we're going to start with the corned beef. Be careful when you open up these cans with those keys. I've cut myself many a times with that. And it hurts. Okay, so just kind of mush it up. Okay. And it's all going to cook down because it's got a little bit of fat. It is corned beef. Okay. Okay, now we're going to add the sofrito. Just 1 teaspoon is all we need. Then we're going to add the sazon. And the reason we're putting it in this is because it does have some seasoning to it. I'm not worried about this coloring my meat. Okay? So it will give it some extra added flavor to it. Alright, now we're going to add 2 cans of tomato sauce. And the reason I add the 2 cans instead of 1 is because if I only add 1, and once it simmers and starts to thicken, for me, I don't like it because it's too dry. I like it more moist. So we're going to add this. Okay. BB likes a lot of flavoring, but I don't like a lot of salt. Okay. And then I'm going to mix this up a little bit. Right now you're probably thinking, ugh. But looks are deceiving. This is one of my favorite dishes. Alright, we're going to head on over to the stove. And this has got to simmer. Put the lid on it. We're going to set it for my stove electric on 4 for at least 15-20 minutes, and then we'll turn it down. Guys, I'm going to use 3 potatoes because I like a lot of potatoes. So we'll get it all peeled. And yes, I still use a potato peeler. Okay, so you got the idea. Peel potato. Alright. I've already washed it. Now with this, doing it at home, you can make it as thick as you want or as thin as you want. Or you can do like Pops does. He likes Wendy's French fries. So he goes down to Wendy's and he buys a large order of French fries, brings it home, and then puts it in the corned beef. If you like McDonald's French fries, use those. Or even Chick-fil-A's waffle. That's what we do. But I like making it this way. You can also put corn in your corned beef. That's a Spanish style of way of also doing it. And this, we're just going to cut these up. I'm going to finish it up, put them in the corned beef. Okay, now that it's simmering, just stir it every once in a while, but keep it simmering so it'll all thicken up and all the flavors will get in together. Alright guys, I have them all cut up. Now we're going to wash them off. Okay, now I'm going to put them in my corned beef. Oops, runaway French fry. He's like, I don't want to get eaten today. And then we're going to put this down to 2. And you cook this until the potatoes are soft. And it's usually about 15-20 minutes for fresh potatoes. Then again, just to make sure that the potatoes are done, you just put a little fork in it. If it goes all the way through, it's done. Okay. I'm stirring it up so I can start to get the coloring in the potatoes. Okay. There we go. All right. that is that. Now, if you have gone to Wendy's, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, wherever, and you bought French fries already cooked, you would only put them in and then simmer this maybe for about 5 minutes. And then that's it. It would be done. Okay? But BB's is going to take a little bit longer. Okay, guys, it's done. This is what it looks like. This is what I meant by it's still kind of a lot of juice. It's still really moist. Some people with their rice, like rice and beans. This is a variation of it. So you really, I don't like the rice and beans with the corned beef. That's just too much. That's why we're doing it this way today. All right, this is what my rice looks like. You can see it's soaked up a lot of water. So now we're just gonna cook it. Gonna put it on 4. Try that for about 10 minutes and then we'll put the lid on it and finish it. All right, my rice is boiling good. So now I'm gonna put the lid on it and let it finish cooking up. And we're looking at about another 10-15 minutes. All right, guys, my rice is done. And as you can see, it's yellow. All right, so we're gonna make some up. He's going to dirty up another spoon. All right. With this, you can either put it in a plate, like so. Or you can put it in a bowl. Like I like it. And there we are. Either or. Dinner is served. Enjoy, everybody. See ya.